Okay. Last time, yeah, we did leave off here. These puzzles are fairly simple, but I'm gonna do something kind of strange that you guys are gonna be like, wait, why is he doing that? So yeah, I can solve this puzzle fairly simple as long as my fingers don't screw up here. So see, that's how easy the puzzle is. You can skip every single trainer in this gym, but it's not what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna actually go down and fight the trainers. So, let's see here. No. Sure. Let's take Mighty Anna first. And Bolt. I believe this is a double battle right here, I think. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna face most of the double battles that I can. So, yeah. Alright. Pretty much watertight gym, obviously. The levels do get a bit higher here, as you can see. Level 40 now. It's pretty good. I mean, it's only one Pokemon. I mean, if they had one, I think they should bump it up to like level 42 or something, because... I mean, but oh well, that was a, that was the level of the last gym leaders, so... I don't care if it's at level 40 or not. Doesn't matter to me. But yeah, I'm not playing music on this gym. I'm going to battle the trainers. Horn Attack. I don't care about Horn Attack. What I care about is Horn Drill. But you can't use it on me, because those one-hit KO moves like Fissure, Sheer Cold, Horn Drill, Golden, those ones only hit unless the Pokemon that you are hitting is lower level or it's the same level as you. So, yeah. Let's see, alright, double battle. Man, most of them are double battles in here, I tell you. Okay. Ooh, these guys got 3 each. So, they're all at level 35. I can talk about it for a second. Azuru. Wow. Okay. This should be an easy battle. Oh boy. Corphish, yes. 37, so that's better. Subaru's taken down easy. Duh. And a Meryl. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. I guess I'll just do this what I did before. Alright. Fish. And what's the last one? What is it? Lombre! Level 39. Huh. What's the last one of this? Well, we're not gonna get to find out because I didn't kill it. But hopefully it'll kill itself now. Oh, what? Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, what? The heck? Oranberry? Oranberry. I like that one too. Oh, you kidding me? You're gonna die for that, Lombre. Yep. That's a 2-on-1. Which makes it totally fine. Ugh. Man, why can't you have Iron Focus just like Crobat? It's awesome this does. I don't know what the next Pokemon that's coming out is, but it's gonna give strength to a hit. So... easy as ever, pretty much. Azumarill. Okay. Looks like Azumarill's getting strength, and I didn't like it. How about Facade and strength put together? Oh, jeez, this might actually not kill a hit. I'm afraid it's not going to. Oh, okay. Good. I thought I wasn't gonna kill it at first. Oh well. Oops. Yeah, whoops. I was beaten. Yes, you were. Haha. Another double battle. Oh, missed my chance for double battle. Oh wait, the other trainer didn't see me when I was there. Huh. Oh well, guess I won't get a double battle. Golding. Oh. That's okay, I'll switch over to somebody for the next one. I don't think it'll be Mighty Rambo though. Well. It's kind of scary. Just because I feel like it. I don't know why I'm doing this, but... Confuse Ray! Haha. So, Wilmer's gonna get confused and hopefully it hurts itself so I can get a Sludge Bomb off. Don't attack me. Ouch. Oh. Wow. Astonish. Sludge Bomb! Haha, I was poisoned anyway. Yes. So, this confusion will kill it, and the poison will kill it. I didn't even have to use Confuse Ray. Guess I just wasted a whole turn. Haha. You're strong. I was fooled by your cute looks. Whatever. Okay. There's one up here. Dr. Rabbit. But I have a strategy. It's not surf, 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 ice beam, ice beam, ice beam. Nope. Something different. Judging by the time, I don't think I'm going to battle the gym leader in this episode. So I'm sorry if every other episode I did, but not this one, fortunately. Ooh, Carvanix? I guess it'll be surf, surf, surf. Surf until you kill it. I was planning on using Rollout, but Surf does a bunch of damage anyway. Crunch. I see. Oh, you just had to do that. How about Ice Beam, Ice Beam? Yeah. What's next? Is it Sharpedo? Bet you it is. Yep. I'm just looking at their... Well, Bellossom's gonna grow a level. What the heck? Guess we use Bellossom since he's about to grow a level. I was just looking at their HP bar, or their experience bars. Taunt. Fortunately, Bellossom's kind of slow. But, oh well. Alright. Sharpedo is down and a level up. Hooray! Looks like the next one to level up will be... Who will it be? I don't know, I'll pick. And I pick... Scary. Just because I like him. Not only that... Whoa. Not only that, I haven't even used Blaze in this gen. Wonder why. But I like using opposite typings and beating them even to show them that fire is better than water, even though it's not. But then I use the same type advantage and water is better than fire. So it doesn't matter if these guys do have water, or grass type, or fire type, I can still beat them. Luvdisc and Feebas. I was really planning on getting a Phoebus for my team, but that didn't work out so good. Why? Because they want to play hard to get. Earthquake! I think it's time for an Earthquake. I mean, hey, it won't even affect Blaze, and it's good. Phoebus again? I'll have you know that I took down 2 Phoebuses in one turn. Hopefully. Hopefully this takes care of everybody on the field. Yeah, there goes Luvdisc. No surprise. And there goes Phoebus. Yeah, I took down 2 Pokemon in one turn. 3, actually. And I love this. So, like I was saying, I was going to get a Feebas on my team to evolve into Milotic, because I've always wanted a Milotic on my team, but they just want to play hard to get, and I can never get them in the rainforest. Oh, you stupid. Yeah. Oh well. Let's see, I think I got a couple more trainers in this gym. I don't know how many exact trainers are in this gym. I didn't count them all. Pretty sure around 10. Maybe 12? I don't know. Okay. So nobody grew a level, so I guess I'll keep Scary out there. So we got 2 more trainers to battle. And then next episode, we are going to battle Juan. Because, looking at the time, Juan might take a while because he's kind of tough. I'm not saying he's so hard nobody can beat him, but he's tough because in this game, from Wallace to Juan, Juan makes a little bit of a change. Not only does the gym leader change, a couple of things change with his Pokemon. No longer does he have a Milotic, which you might think, oh yes, no Milotic, but as soon as you see his final Pokemon, you're gonna be, oh, I wish I had the Milotic again. That's what I was like. I was like, yes, no Milotic. But then, as soon as he threw that Pokemon out, I want a Milotic again. Okay. Last trainer before the gym leader. And I showed you at the beginning how the puzzle was, so I'll show it to you one more time next episode, and then it's gym time. Well, it already is gym time, but we're actually going to battle the gym leader that time. Haha, critical hit. Just love that high critical hit ratio. Oh, 45. Which you definitely do want to be around level 45 for this gym. Even though I wasn't in Sapphire. But this gym has made some improvements, I tell you. Okay, so that is about it for this episode. Next episode, we are going to battle the gym leader. See everybody next time.